Day trading versus swing trading. Which one is more successful and which one is more suitable for you as a trader? In general, which one makes the more money and which one should you actually be using as a trader? Now, if you're new to trading, this is one of the big questions that most newbies ask and they find it difficult to make decision when it comes to trading either as a day trader or as a swing trader. They are stuck with either thinking of a fast action or a fast way of either trading and making profit every day, or the patient way of trading and holding the trade for a period of time to make money. Now, if you are stuck in between these two things, either trying to trade as a day trader or as a swing trader, and you don't know which one is suitable for you, well, this video is for you, because in this video I'll be breaking it all down, the differences between day trading and swing trading, the pros and the cons, and I'll also help you decipher which one is more suitable for you. And by the way, just forgive my screen, because this trade, I've been looking at this trade for like all day long and I am beating myself over and over again, because I saw this trade at actually $1 somewhere around here around here, and I did not take the trade. And today here we are, you can see right there the trade is around $14. Actually hit $14, and right now is at $13.99, which is still $14 anyway. So I've been beating myself over this trade since today, and I just feel like I missed a whole lot of money from this. Anyway, let's come back to the video of today. So like I said, we are looking at day trading versus swing trading. And before I dive into this, you're welcome. This is Blockchain Plus. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of joining this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that you subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification bell icon so that you'll be in the know when I drop valuable videos like this, because in this place I teach a whole lot of things about trading, investment, and how to become successful in the crypto and financial space. Alright, so if you have subscribed to this channel and you have turned on your bell notification icon, now the next thing you want to also do is to join our Telegram channel, because that is where we do a whole lot of things. So this is our Telegram channel. So if you come to Telegram, just search for Blockchain Plus and you're going to join that channel. Now, if I open the channel, because there are a whole lot of scammers right now, you can see, you must make sure you're seeing this particular one with all of this, and then this is our Telegram link right here. So make sure you're seeing this one, because there are a whole lot of scammers right out there that is looking for ways to scam you out of your money. Now, if you've joined this and if you want to take a step further as well, then you can also join our academy. In the academy, you get access to our DeFi group, our signals, our VIP signals for futures trading, and then this is the academy. So those are the things you get access to when you join the Blockchain Plus Academy. And in that place, we do a whole lot, and a lot of people are making massive profits and becoming successful in the academy. All right, with that said, let's dive into the video of today. So I'm going to start right ahead with day trading. So what exactly is day trading? Now, simply put, day trading is all about buying and selling within the same day. So you enter a position and close that same day before 12 midnight that day, or before 1 midnight that day. So you don't sleep over your trade. That is simply what day trading is all about. And now, what does it require for you to trade the market as a day trader? So as a day trader, here are the things that you are required to have. First of all, you must have constant focus on charts. So as a day trader, you need constant focus on the charts, and also you need to have a good ability to make fast decisions, and then you also need to heavily rely on what technical analysis. So as a day trader, you don't have much business with fundamental analysis, right? And you must make fast and quick decisions, because of course you want to take decisions on time so that the market does not move against you or in your favor and you're not taking profit when you're supposed to take profit. Now, With that said, there are pros and cons to all of these things I've mentioned. Remember, I said you must focus on the chart, you must make fast and quick decisions, and you must heavily rely on technical analysis. So, what are the pros of a day trader? Now, as a day trader, you can make quick profits every day. Of course, because that is the essence of you actually jumping into the trade and saying you want to become a day trader. You want to be able to make profits every day, right? Now, also, you will not have to keep your trades overnight, having lots of risk. Maybe you don't want to have sleepless nights, you don't want to sleep with one eyes closed, and then waking up in the morning and saying that you're having a heavy drawdown on your trade. You don't want all of that to happen. So you close the trade before you go to sleep and you sleep peacefully, right? Now, also, there are lots of opportunities that comes up in the market every single day, especially if you are in the crypto space. Now, these are the benefits you have as a day trader. There are also cons to this. There are drawdowns, there are negative aspects of this. This can be very, very stressful because you need to watch the charts constantly to see when opportunity is coming up. You need to watch the chart every time, right? So you need to always be on your 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes time frame to look at the chart so that you see when opportunity is coming out for you. So this can actually be very, very stressful. Also, there is a high risk that is involved when it comes to the trading. With day trading, you can lose more money very quickly if you are not disciplined and if you don't know what you are doing. And then with day trading, because you want to always trade every time, you tend to have what we call over trading, right? You tend to want to enter the market because you want to make money, you want to make more money, and there is no satisfaction when you see that you're making money. And by so doing, before you know, you might just lose everything that you've made, and you'll be like, okay, let me start again. So there is this tendency of over trading in the market, and there is this tendency of losing more than you're actually making because you want to make more money, and by so doing you're actually losing more money. And this requires a lot of screen time and emotional control. So you're always watching the chart, you're always on the screen watching, and before you know, you have headache and all of that. So all of these things comes with day trading. These are the drawdowns of day trading. In as much as you want to make money quickly, you want to have more opportunity to trade, you also have what we call over trading, and over trading leads to what? Loss of capital, right? Because you also have what we call revenge trading. When you trade one or two and you make profit and you lose the third one, you want to trade again to see if you're going to make back the money. You lose it again. You want to trade again and you lose again. Now at that point you are doing what we call revenge trading. And before you say, okay, you want to do martingale to see if you're going to put in more money and recover all that you've lost, just one with one trade, and you'll be like, if I can only get this one now, I'm out of the market. If I can only get the next one, if I can only get the next one, before you know, you've lost 5 trades after winning 2 trades. So these are the drawdowns of day trading. Now that we understand all the positivities, all the pros of day trading, now let's go to what swing trading is. So now, what is swing trading? Simply put, swing traders are people who hold trades for days, weeks, or even months. Those are swing traders. Now they do all of this aiming to catch larger portion in the market, larger moves in the market. They're not here for 15 minutes chart. They're not here for 1 hour chart. They're not here for 30 minutes chart. They are here for the 4 hour daily or weekly chart because they want to catch more moves in the market. Now, what does it require for you to trade the market as a swing trader? Now, as a swing trader, you require patience and discipline. You also require a mix of technical analysis and sometimes fundamental analysis. And then you have less time staring and glaring at your charts or your screen. So, when you are a swing trader, You don't have business staring at your screen every time, every minute, every second to see when a trade is forming or to see when a move is about to happen. You don't have time for all of that. And also, you can even use fundamental analysis to buy a particular pair because you know that the fundamental is good. So you buy into the pair and you get good return from it. So now let's look at the pros of swing trader. And by the way, this is our channel. You can see how people are making a lot of money from this channel. You can see this person made over 300% from this trade. This is over 400% from that trade, over 170% from that same trade. So in this place, we do a whole lot. We do a whole lot here, and people are making lots of money from this particular community. So just do it to find your place yourself in blockchain plus if you're not there already. Now let's look at the pros. Of course, one of it is this: it is less stressful. Unlike the day trading that is very stressful, this one is less stressful because you don't have to monitor the charts every minute, every second. If, in fact, you don't even have to stay on the chart all day. Just looking at the chart one or two times in a day, you're okay, right? So you also have fewer trades to take. That means lower transaction cost, lower risk because you're not trading more often in a day. You stand a chance to lose less, right, in your capital. And also you can combine it with a regular job. If you're doing a job outside, if you have something else you are doing, you can actually combine this with a regular job, and then can go about your business while you're taking your trade and you allow your trades to play out, right? So that is how you actually do the swing trading, and that's one of the pros. Those are the pros of swing trading, right? Now that we understand the pros of swing trading, now let's look at the cons, because everything that has advantage actually comes with disadvantage, right? So the cons or the disadvantages of swing trading is that the trades can take a longer time to play out. So unlike day trading where you just take the trade for that day and close out for that day. And by the way, it means if you're a day trader, if a trade has not played out, you'll be forced to close it for that same day, right? Even if you are negative. So which is another disadvantage of it. Now for this one, it takes a longer time for it to play out, right? So you can wait 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, one or even up to 1 month or two weeks. So the profits comes in slower, right? Although if the move are going higher in your favor, you can catch a whole lot of money from the move, just like what I showed you in our community, where you see people making over 300%, 400% is because they were able to catch a whole lot of move from that particular pair by being patient and waiting for the move to actually happen, just like what you're seeing here, right? Now you are also exposed to overnight risks like news events or even gaps in the market, because you are a swing trader. When you enter the market, you're not closing it out for that day. So you might be sleeping and wake up the following morning and you see that your trade has hit your SL, or your trade has been liquidated, or one thing has happened and you are in a heavy drawdown. So all of these things are what you can face when you are doing swing trading, right? And as a swing trader, you also require larger stop loss when compared to day trading, because in day trading you may be using 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes or 15 minutes. But as a swing trader, the minimum you can use is 4 hours, right? You can use 4 hours 1 day or 1 week. So your stop loss tends to be bigger. So those are the drawdown or the disadvantages of swing trading. So now we have seen the disadvantage of day trading and swing trading. We have also seen the differences between the both of them. So now let's do some comparison between day trading and swing trading. Now for day trading, we already know you trade frequency. The frequency of your trade is higher, right? Unlike a swing trader. So while a day trader can take up to 10 trades in a day, a swing trader can just take 2 or 3 trades in a week. Sometimes you can take up to, let's say, 5 or 10 trades in a week, right? While a day trader can take more than 10 trades in just one day. So the frequency of trades is higher in day trading compared to swing trading. However, the results or the profit margin in swing trading tends to be more because you stay in the trade, you wait it out, and you catch all the moves, right? Now, day trading for time commitment, a day trader is fully committed. You can This can become your full-time job, of course, because you're looking at the screen every time. But why for swing trader, you can have a part-time job. You can be doing this as a part-time job while you are still doing your normal everyday job. Even in your office, you can just look at the chart one or two times and then you take your trade. Now, if you want to ask me which one should I go for, which one is better for me as a beginner, well, I would say for day trader, people who love actions, if you want to be on the chart, if you want to look at the chart and actually trade, then you are good to go with day trading. But I will not advise you to actually trade as a day trader. If you want to become successful in trading, it's better you go in as a swing trader. Now, let me give you the reason why I said it's better you go in as a swing trader. Because most financial institutions, banks, and all of that, hedge fund managers, they don't trade day trading. They are not day traders, they are swing traders. That is where the big moves happens. That is where you catch 300 pips, 500 pips, 1000%, 500%, 400%, 10,000%. You catch all of that as a swing trader. You can't catch such thing as a day trader. And most importantly, because you are doing the trading before the major move happens, you're already out of the market, right? Which is also very, very wrong. So, in all, like I've said, which one you may want to ask also, which one is now better for me? I've already said it. If I want to advise you, I will advise you to go in as a swing trader. But however, no one way or which one is actually better than anyone. It all depends on you what you want. But the reason why I advise you to go in as a swing trader is because it is less stressful. You have the tendency of making more money from it, and you don't actually overtrade or do revenge trade while you are trading as a swing trader, right? So this is everything that you need to know about day trading and swing trading. Now, if you have any question or you have anything that you still want me to clarify between day trading and swing trading, then you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section and I will clarify all of that for you. Now, let me also hear from you. What kind of trader are you as a professional? Are you a day trader? Do you love trading every day in the chart, or you are a swing trader who come to the chart to look for good opportunities, take the opportunities, sit it and wait it out until you get a better result? Let me just hear from you in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comment. All right, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.